Hi guys, today in this video we talk about how many cinder blocks is required to build a 1000 square foot house. It means you have a 1000 square foot house, how many concrete blocks or it is also called cinder blocks will required for this house. For this calculation, first we calculate blocks per square foot. As you know that the cinder block has dimension 16 inches long, 8 inches in width and 8 inches in height. And if you want to calculate area of one block, means you have to multiply length and height. That is 16 inches. 16 inches means 1.33 feet. And this is height 8 inches. If you convert this in feet, this will be 0.66 feet. And this will come about 0.89 square feet. It means the area of one cinder block will be 0.89 square foot. And if you want to calculate number of cinder block per square foot, it means your area is given 1 square foot and this one 0.89. This will come about 1.125 blocks. It means how many cinder blocks per square foot? Your answer is 1.125 blocks. And your 1000 square foot house, you have given 1000 square foot house. It is divided in rooms. You don't know how many rooms and how many total area of their wall. But for on average, approximate, if you want to know the total area of walls of 1000 square foot house, you take thumb rule. You can multiply by 3 to 3.5. Then total square foot of walls of 1000 square foot house, you can multiply 1000 by 3. This will come about 3000 square foot. And if you multiply by 3.5, this will come about 3500 square foot. And it means a house that is 1000 square foot have on approximate total square foot area of wall is about 3000 square foot, or it may be 3500 square foot. Now we calculate number of cinder block. If you take 3000 multiply with this, how many cinder block per square foot? You have 1.125. This will come about 3375 blocks. And if you multiply this one 3500 1.125, this will come about 3938 blocks. And this figure is near about 3400 and this figure is near about 4000. It means if you want to construct 1000 square foot house, you may need approximately 3400 to 4000 cinder blocks. You may require this quantity of blocks to build 1000 square foot